Wow, you have to pass from here, dude.
Yeah.
Careful.
The ship broke because it was too heavy.
Is that a bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got a branch.
Just go slow. Whoa. Okay, go that ladder. See the ladder?
Where's the ladder?
From here, from the right.
Oh yeah.
Do you need help?
It goes like ladder face.
Ladder face.
Now it goes ladder face. I don't know where that's true.
That's looks like abandoned bridge.
Yeah. Come over. I don't think I can handle this.
Yeah, sure.
I can't do. I did it.
Good
It's
job.
We're on the ship.
Go from here. Okay, hold on.
Oh, some catch up here.
Hold on. Go ahead from here. Give me your hand.
Hey, that's real big. How are we gonna jump off here?
Yo.
Oh, we log now.
Yeah.
So
So where are we going now?
to the barn.
The barn?
Yeah, the house to there.
Go from here.
There's construction going on down there.
Down there, there's some cars here. There's a frozen puddle, eh?
I'm breaking. Can I go in it? It's not gonna be that deep. Oh, it breaks. How people see this watching?
Whoop. Careful.
Help me.
Let's go from here.
Yeah, sure. Oh, goodness. I need to get some stick of a cow trying to move.
The cow?
Oh!
What's there?
The sheep.
Yeah, let's check them.
And the poop everywhere they poop. They're disgusting. I don't want to step in their beans. Oh gosh, I'm stepping in their beans. And they're gonna run away from us?
I think no. Let's check them.
They're gonna say meh. La, 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 la. Throw 'em away.
They will stay. Come.
Stepping in the poop.
There's a lot of poop here, eh?
Yeah, I can smell it.
Is it?
No, let's go in.
Let's check what's here, dude.
Let's go in. How do we get in? Go get in.
Yeah, open that thing.
The lock?
Yeah, the lock.
It's here, all the way here.
Pull this down.
Okay.
Here they are.
Oh my god. Put the lights in or there are no lights.
There's no lights. We'll start the phone, I guess.
I'm scared. I'm scared if he tries to
Okay,
get
take the
me
light.
out.
She's on rope, so don't worry about it.
Oh, okay. Oh guys, I'm scared.
That's fine.
Daddy, I can't. Is there other ones or is there that one?
What is in there?
One is
Here you go.
Sarunka! Mashunka! Stare about this. What are you doing, cows? He's gonna mow.
She's eating some yummy hay, eh?
He's moo! That one was baby there.
Come check it out. Baby
I think
cow.
he will move. Oh gosh, I'm scared of it. Oh!
Cough.
Oh yeah, I see us one. Oh, he's pooping! He's pooping. Daddy!
Okay, let's go.
No, I'm not going.
You want to check them more?
Yeah. He just scared me because he was moving back. Why did he poop this much?
She's eating a lot.
Why is she not moving?
She's big eating.
Oh, what was that? Was that the big one or the little
The
one?
little one, is like kind of cough.
Yeah, maybe he's sick or something. Is that like some? Is this the dad or is that the mom?
That's the mom. Here you go.
Moo! He doesn't move. Does he move very loud?
She's moving wild, but now
So what
she's
happens
busy.
if I touch his tail?
Nothing.
He will probably move and get
No.
angry.
She won't get angry. She's
Daddy,
nice.
you see the poop? She pooped already?
Yeah. A big poop, eh?
What happens if she let her, how about we let him go because maybe he won't water? He's hitting himself. I'm gonna come. Some else was about to be here. Sarunki. Mashunki. You hear that? I think he will poop more.
Let's get out to check the sheep, eh?
Okay. And then we will come back here to check him. I'm not going in there.
Don't chase them.
Ah! 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 Oh, I see the little one's nose. Put a light again. Come on. Oh, see, he's so cute. Come on, come in.
There's her nose.
Yeah.
See?
What are you showing? What is he looking at? Can he move, Daddy?
Yeah, she'll move, but now she's eating, yeah.
And now maybe later on he will move. What's he doing? What's he
He's
doing?
itchy.
He's itchy for what? Why is he doing that?
Okay, let's go, eh?
No. Let's go on to move on the little one.
He's up now.
Who's up?
The little one, here you go.
Oh, how old is he? Oh, see, that was that and him.
Yeah.
You see, like in his tour there, the brown thing?
Uh-huh.
What's that?
It's some poop, I guess.
I guess the big one pooped. That can I, like, can I